Hair conditioner is a hair care product used to improve the feel, appearance, and manageability of hair. Its main purpose is to reduce friction between strands or hair to allow smoother brushing or combing, which might otherwise cause damage to the scalp. When proper conditioners are used for specific hair types, they can reduce the number of split ends and strengthen the hair follicles to prevent damage. Here are the following benefits of hair conditioner. Repair damaged hair, reduce amount of dryness, rejuvenate the scalp, strengthen the hair follicles, and the hair looks smooth and shiny. The LUXE ORGANIX Hair Professionals Aqua Boost Treatment. This is a light and straight conditioner that gives intensive moisture, help hydrate and moisturize hair, give straighter and shinier hair. The LUXE ORGANIX Hair Professionals Aqua Boost Treatment. This is a light and volumized conditioner to give intensive moisture, to help hydrate and provide volume, and instant shine and volume to dry hair. The LUXE ORGANIX Hair Professional Aqua Boost Treatment. This is a light and hydrated conditioner. This provides moisture, nourishes fine locks, and leaving your hair fresh and hydrated. The Aqua Boost treatment is a daily conditioner. It is lightweight, no residue, less rinse time, and formulated in Canada. Directions for use: first, squeeze a handful and apply on damp hair starting from mid-hair section down to hair tips. Next, slowly massage onto scalp and leave for about 1 minute. And lastly, rinse and towel dry hair. For the effective result of this product, use it every day. Just a reminder, conduct a skin test first, stop using this product, and consult a doctor if its skin becomes red, swollen, and itchy. Thank you for watching. Till next time.